Well, good evening, everybody. So I know it's kind of black behind me. That's because you'll see something very cool here in a minute. Of something new. Actually, hang on a second. Let's do this. Let's see. It's not working. Hold on. I know what I need to do. Hang on. I did it wrong. Let's try it again. Aha! There we go. See, so we literally have our artwork behind us now. So you see, being able to see the whole room because we have a green thingy behind us, which gives us the cool functionality of being able to do that. So, let me bring up our information that we need. I think this is up to date. Okay, cool. So, let's go ahead and bring me down. So as you can see, instead of seeing the whole room now, you just see up there in the corner my picture with the artwork. Pretty cool if I say so myself. Makes it look cleaner, I think. Anyway, I'm rambling too much. So let's just give you on down to business here, shall we? So, as you can see, all this tan colors that you see is a wind advisory. So this batch of rain, so these wind advisories hang on, let me see if I can get some. Yeah, so this one starts at 1 a.m., so in about an hour or so. Which, if you see, that's this batch of rain is along a cold front system, and it's marching off to the east. So, like, right now, our temperatures are mighty toasty. Currently here, we are sitting at 65 degrees. So let me take a note of that. with my trusty pen that I got. The reason why I'm taking a note of that, because as soon as that cold front starts coming through, which you can actually see. Oops. Okay, yeah, I do not like this mouse. So, which if you can actually see, we can see the cold front right here, approaching Cincinnati, and then behind that, these temperatures are going to start to drop like a rock. And it's actually going to bring some snow, because this purple that you see here is a winter weather advisory for all of our mountain counties through 1 p.m. Tuesday. Haven't we seen enough snow already? That's what I want. That's what I want to know. Whoever ordered all the snow, take it back. We don't want it. And just so you know, I may not permanently keep using this green screen thing back here. We're just trying it out tonight for kicks and giggles. But also, as you can see, our higher elevation counties for Southeast Randolph, Northwest Pocahontas, Eastern Tucker, Pendleton, Grant, Mineral counties are under the high wind warning for wind gusts up to 65 miles per hour expected. So that's going to for sure cause problems. Let's see if... Because when I was out there securing stuff here, the winds were already starting to pick up. Not what they are going to be expecting to become, but already starting to pick up enough. So just like last time, secure any loose Christmas decorations, because you sure do not want to have a big, giant Santa inflatable flying down the street and then chase that at 3 o'clock in the morning in your pajamas. Whatever that might be. Do with that information as you will. We're keeping this family friendly. We're a family friendly channel, people. Which it looks like. It looks like our next door neighbors already heated that. Because I don't see their... I mean, well, the holiday's over anyways, so... I'm still digging my... That's right. I was coming on here to check. See if anyone's already starting to report power outages yet. Probably not yet, because it's not that strong yet. But definitely people are going to be with... okay, there are only like 7 customers in our... state out. There are fewer than 20 in Wood and fewer than 20 in Preston. That's it so far, but... Sorry, I was looking at that off screen. There are 8 counties in Maryland out. So we have 1 less. Anyway. It's not important enough. I wanted to say something once. Wonder what damage Pennsylvania got since the one day. Oh, okay. Hardly anything. Okay. Well, doesn't mean to say they didn't. Pennsylvania never goes without power long enough than what we do here, so. But yeah. So let's look at... We have 3 notifications. Oh, I don't care about those. They can be gone. Let's bring this up here. And look at the forecast for tonight. I mean, look at this. These wind alerts go all the way back from Missouri and all the way to the East Coast. That's insane. Okay, so for tonight, I'll even look at our wind. Okay, so for tonight, rain mainly after 2 a.m., low around 31. That's probably from when the cold front comes through, because we're still at 65 degrees currently. So I don't believe that 31, but okay. Breezy with a southwest wind 15 to 20 miles per hour. Wind gusts up to 46 miles per hour. Chance of rain 90%. New rain. So anyway, let's just come for fun. Yeah, temperatures are in like... Okay, we can just save that, I guess. Let's zoom in. Yeah, so there's a better view of the winter weather advisory. I didn't know there was any special weather statements out. I think that's because I have those turned off here. Let me flip those on. No, they're turned on. Then oh, you know what? I think I know what I want. I think I figured out what the issue is. There we go. So that batch of rain is moving pretty slow. But here's future wind gusts. Let's step this into motion. Wow, that's... What's the blue? Holy cow, 63 miles an hour. Is there any stronger? Let's see if we can find a stronger. So I think this model might be a little bit underdoing it. Okay, well, that was just for funs and giggles. So, you pretty much get the... Let's look at the temperature. Let's just watch these temperatures drop. Yeah, so right here at 3 o'clock, you can see the cold front back there towards Zanesville, Ohio. And it starts marching in. Because see, by 5 o'clock, we're already into the 40s. 6 o'clock, some of our regions right down into the upper 30s. And then it just keeps coming. And then, boom, there's that Arctic blast. So, this might be for now where we can probably go ahead and leave it for tonight. Oh, and I need to do the same thing here. There we go. Okay. So yeah, that's pretty much where we're going to go ahead and just leave it for this evening. Make sure. Now, I'm going to probably do the same thing. Put your cellular device on charge. Make sure you even have a flashlight, which I don't have around here to show you, other than my iPhone. So make sure you have that charge and have a way of getting emergency alerts and have candles handy in case of electricity goes out, because especially here in West Virginia, you just don't know what to expect, what's going to happen either. So, yeah, that's pretty much where we're going to probably go ahead and just leave it for tonight. So you will have a fantastic rest of your evening, and we will probably chat again after the new year. So you have a happy new year, and we'll see you again in 2026. Is what I'm saying that. But anyway, that's the truth. So we'll see you back here in 2026 for another round of live videos and make 2026 a great year. Until again, say, my friends, have a happy new year and a safe new year as well. Have a good night.